Hi, my name is Rushil Shah, and in this video, I'm going to explain the code that I have written to create this game. So over here, I have basically named the variables. These are the changeable variables and the difficulty package. These are the This is the code that was used to create the characters. That is the meteor, and the space shooters. This is the object construction section wherein this is to create the buttons in the entire game. Then over here, a function is used in order to create the functions of the buttons. The controlling button, this line of code over here, it is used to to display the controls that are used to play this game. That are the arrow keys and the space button. These are the difficulty level buttons, and then moving on, these are the codes that are used as to if you press any of the arrow keys, what is the function the space shooter has to complete. The bullet, this is the code to create the bullet. So the bullet that comes out of the space shooter has been coded with this line. This is the code that this is the draw function which was used to create the object that is the meteor shooter. These are the levels that are being displayed. So there is an if else code used wherein if a user picks up level 1, then the function of the code would be to have a specific speed and the specific meteor numbers, specific hearts, and the specific hardness of the level. Else, if code is here as to if the user selects a different level, then what are the functions and what are the specifications. Likewise, this is the level 3 and level 4. This is the wins scene as to when the game completes, the end final page wherein the score is displayed. This loop has to be is to be played to let the level button work. So it is required to change to scene 2 if the page is on scene 1, and the game is stopped when the start and pause button is clicked. Then moving further, this code is when the game runs. It is to implement the pause button. This is the specifications of the pause button as to when the user clicks on the start or the pause button, what are the functions.